Okay, we're set. Yes, okay. So first of all, let me tell you about the project. The project, you need to use, it says on one sheet of graph paper, draw a picture that contains at least where is it? Okay, got it. At least 7 conics. They must include 2 parabolas, 1 circle, 2 ellipses, and 2 hyperbolas. They may or may not overlap. They should be accurately graphed. Centers and vertices should be labeled. On the given sheet of paper, you must write the equations in standard form of the conics that are graphed. Also include the labeled centers and the vertices. So you gotta make sure that you have at least, as you can see here, at least 7 conics. So you need to have at least 2 parabolas, 1 ellipse, well, actually 2, 4, 6, and 1 is 7. Now, if you look at the rubric, it says accurate graphs and correct equations is going to give you 70 points. Following the instructions is 10 points, which is about the vertices and the points and the equations, okay? The creativity, 10 points. So here, look at this right here. See, this is a clown. I don't know if you noticed, but it's a clown right here. There's the eyes. Or you can also say that it looks like a dog, right? Also, or depends on what you want to do here. So these are the eyes, the mouth, the nose, a little bow right here. So anyways, notice that you have equations on another paper. So you have your equations, and then you have your 7 equations. Now, if you also look at the bottom, it says, oh, something else is this. 10 conics instead of only 7, that gives you 10 points. So it's 70, 80, 90, 100. So if you want to get the 100, well, you can go ahead and do 3 more of any kind. You decide, doesn't matter which one you want to choose, but you need to have 10 to get the 100. If you only do 7, that would be the 90. Okay, so I recommend that you choose other 3 conics, whichever ones you want, and make that to be 10, and that way you have the 100. And now this is due, that's going to be my little gift in Mexico, Mother's Day, May 10th. Thank you. So Mother's Day in Mexico, May 10th, which is Tuesday, at the beginning of the period. And if you know that you're going to be absent that day, turn the project before that day. If you're absent due to illness, I will accept the project if accompanied by doctor's excuse. If turning by Friday, May the 6th, because I don't want your mothers remind me on Mother's Day on Sunday, right? And like, you're going to be like, what? Ms. Silva assigning assignment that is Mother's Day weekend? So you give it to me by the Friday and you get 10 extra points. You give it to me on Monday, you get 5 extra points. But you don't have to, okay? So I don't want any mothers to be, on my case. I'm like, what? You know what I mean? So please, okay? So it's due on Tuesday. So start working on that. I'll be here Thursdays, tutoring time. You want to come, work a little bit this Thursday. And then next Thursday, which is like the 3rd or so, right, of May. And then the following Thursday, it's, when is the next Thursday? What day is that?
Next Thursday is already the 5th.
Is the 5th? Okay, so then that Thursday, the 5th, you can come and I can help you. Because if you give it to me on Friday, that would be the 10 extra points. Okay, so then plan ahead, please, okay? Now let's move on.